sum of terms. Now sum of terms, we will represent it as Sn. Sn means sum of terms. Sn can be found out from this formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here what is n? N is number of terms, d is difference, a is the first term, or else we will act according to the information given in the problem. We can also use it n by 2 into a plus l. Here l is the last term. Here the l is the last term. Now I am going to show you few examples on this based on this formula, that is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The first problem we are going to see is sum of 15 terms, 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. There way we have to find out, that is S15 we have to find out. So S15 we have to find out. Then what are the terms we are given? This is the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. He is asking us for 15 terms, so n is equal to 15, a is equal to 2, d is 5 minus 2, 3. Let us put it in the formula. S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 3. 15 by 2, 4 plus 42, which is 15 by 2 into 46. 2 2s are 23. 15 3s are 45. 4. 15 2s are 30 plus 4, 34. So 345. This is how we can do. Let us see one more example, one more problem on this. These are all the problems in your exercises. This is the first problem. Now I am going to show you third one. Here the common difference is given as minus 2. Find its sum if its first term is 100 and the last term is minus 10. D is equal to minus 2, A is equal to 100, L is equal to minus 10. Children, when we are doing it, the first thing everybody thinks is we can make use of this n by 2 into A plus L. If we want to make use of this formula, we should know what is n. But here in this formula or in this information given in the question, we are given A, we are given D, but we are not given n. A is given, L is given, D is given, but we are not given n. Unless and until a number of terms are known to us, we cannot make use of this formula. So the first thing we have to do is find out the number of terms. To that we will make use of the last term. That is, we say TL is minus 10. So minus 10 is equal to, what is any general term? A plus n minus 1 into D. So minus 10 plus minus the first term is 100. 100 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 10 minus 100 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 110 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. If you divide it, minus 110 by minus 2 is n minus 1. 2 will go 55 times. So n is 56. Once we had find out the last term, we can find out the sum. Sum of all these terms. How many terms are there? 56 terms are there. So S56 is equal to 56 by 2, because what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now everything is known to us. 56 by 2, 2 2 into 100 plus 56 minus 1. 55 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 200 minus 110. So 228 into 0. 10 minus 1 9. 90. So 0. 9 8s are 72. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7. 2520. That is your question number 3. Then we have one more example. How many terms should be taken? This is a different type. This is the fifth one. He is saying how many terms of AP (54, 51, 48) and so on should be taken to find so that their sum is 513. That is what is given to us. Sum is given as 513. We don't know how many numbers we have added so that we got 513. AP is given as 54, 51, 48 and so on. So from this we can make A is 54 and D is 51 minus 54 minus 3. So now find out N. We don't know what is N. We know the formula Sn is equal to N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This is 513. We don't know what is N. 2 into 54 plus N minus 1 into minus 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 is equal to N into 108 minus 3N plus 3. 1026 is equal to 108N minus 3N square plus 3N. 1026 is equal to minus 3N square plus 111N. So this can be written as 3N square minus 111N, transposing this side so that the coefficient of N square will become positive. There is a quadratic equation coming here, and if I observe, all these are divisible by 3. So let us make it more simplified. N square minus 3 2s are 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, N plus 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 342 is equal to 0. 342 342. So let us factorize it and see. 2 1s are 2, 7s are 14, 2 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are again 3, 1s are 3, 19. So 19. So this will be either 18, 19. So it can be 18 plus 19 is 37. Minus 18N minus 19N plus 342 is equal to 0. N into N minus 18 minus N into minus 19 into N minus 18 is equal to 0. So the equation are N minus 18 into N minus 19 is equal to 0. Therefore, N is equal to either 18 or 19. That is your cropped. The next question is question number 6. The sum of the first 6 terms of AP is 42. S6 is 42. The ratio of the 10th term to its 30th term. 10th term to 30th term. Terms always remember denoted by T so that we will not get confused. T10 is to T30 is 1:3. Calculate the first and the 13th term of AP. He wants first term and the 13th term. Now S6 is equal to 42. S6 is equal to 42. That is, we know that sum of terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 42 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 is equal to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what we can write and make it as a first equation. Then T10 is equal to T30. T10 is a plus 9d and T30 is a plus 19d. Their ratio is and here n is 6. Ratio is, that is a plus 9d upon a plus 19d is how much? 1 upon 3. Cross multiply it, you will get 3a plus 3 9s are 27 is equal to a plus 29d. 30th term is a plus 29d. Cross multiplied you will get. Now 3a minus a, 2a, 27d minus 29d minus 2d is equal to 0, or you can write a minus d is equal to 0. This is equation 1, or equation 2 already we have named. Put n is equal to 6 in equation 2 as it is sum of 6 terms. So 84 is equal to 6 into 2a plus 5d. So 84 is equal to 12a plus 30d divided by 6, 14, 2a plus 5d. This is one more equation. Solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. That is, a minus b is equal to 0 and 2a plus 5d is equal to 14. From this you can write a is equal to d. So 2d plus 5d is 14. 7d is 14. d is 2. If d is 2, because a is equal to d, a is also 2. So he is asking us to find out the first term. The first term is a. So first term a is equal to 2, and then 13th term T13 is a plus 12d. 2 plus 12 into 2. 2 plus 24. 26. So the 13th term is 26. Then question number 9. In an AP, if the 12th term is minus 13, and the sum of the first 4 terms is 24, find the sum of its first 10 terms. He wants S10. Then T12 is minus 13. T12 can be written as A plus (11D). Minus 13 is equal to A plus 11D. This is what we can write. S4, N is equal to 4. S4 is equal to 4 by 2 into 2A plus 3D. This is 24. 2A plus 3D, or you can write 2A plus 3D is 12. This is second equation. Now A plus 11D is minus 13. 2A plus 3D is 12. Solve them. Minus A, multiply by 2 and solve them. 2A plus 22D minus 26. 2A plus 3D is equal to 12. 22 minus 3, 19. Minus 90 plus 19D is minus 38. So D will be minus 2. If D is minus 2, A will become minus 13 is equal to A plus 11 into minus 2. A plus minus 22. A is equal to 22 minus 13. 9. Therefore, A is 9 and he is asking us to find out the first 10 terms. So, S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 9 plus 9 into minus 2. 5 into 18 minus 18. So this is 0. The term is 0.